Okay, in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the best gadget which you can use to go ahead and make your audio shine on YouTube. Like if you would have seen my previous videos, we all go ahead and start by using the basic amenities like a mic, like a normal mobile phone, then move up to a DSLR. But later on, we would go ahead and require a proper audio interface for any video to shine on YouTube as you're growing your channel. You can use this even for YouTube streaming online live or even for Instagram live, Instagram videos, and even Facebook live and Facebook videos if you are a creator. Or if you are just a hobbyist and you play guitar, even for that you can use this, or you just make karaoke videos, even for that you can use this. Like anything like TikTok or anything else which you're using. For this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to split my video into three parts in this video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing of the cheapest sound mixer by which your audio will shine in your any type of video. Plus, I'll be giving a review. That will be the second part of the video with the demo. I'll be attaching this to my present mic system and we'll see how good it performs. And it'll be a live demonstration. That's why if you can see clearly, I'm having a secondary mic also so that the audio doesn't get disturbed in between. And third and the final thing what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and see my last impressions, whether this is worth it or not. So let's start. So let's start with the unboxing first. So we will go ahead and open this. I have no clue how to open this, but let's go ahead and try it out. Okay, it's simple. So if you see, it's open now. And what I have ordered is for $2,499 because I have ordered the whole set over here. And if you see over here clearly, there's a free Bluetooth speaker also. But you can go ahead and get this for $2,199 also without the Bluetooth speaker. I thought with the Bluetooth speaker it would be a better option. So I went ahead and got that. So let's open this and see what all is available in this. So just for 300 extra, you're getting this Bluetooth speaker. So it's kind of a good deal. So I just took that. Okay, it has 6 hours playtime also in it. And rest is self-explanatory, like built-in mic for voice calls. There's an aux input, Bluetooth 4.2, pen drive USB, and music and call management. You can use for Zoom calls, etc. Next, what all is available in this package? The main package, what we want to see. They are nicely packed it in a bubble wrap so that there's no problem later on. Okay, let's go ahead and just tear this open. I'll be giving the link for this below. So you can opt for the option where you can just go ahead and get this unit apart from the Bluetooth speaker without any problem online. Okay. They have nicely packed it over here. So what all is available? Let's go ahead and check that. There's a USB charging cable over here, micro USB, which is available. They are given a mic free of cost along with it. And if you see, the normal mic jack is there. And if you need the adapter for that also, I've given the link below. You can go ahead and check that out to convert it to the normal adapter if you want to use this mic somewhere else. And over here you have the on off button of the mic also. And you have an aux cable also for the line out. And you have a user manual in it, which you can check clearly over here, and what all are the options, like which is the line in, line out, everything is available in this. So this is just the unboxing. I'll be showing you each and everything clearly as I connect it also. Now to the main part for which we were looking at. This is the mic, this is the aux cable, and USB. And this is the Ultraprolink music or sound recorder. It's not a recorder also, it's an enhancer of that. So what are the options over here? So there's a line in over here in which you can go ahead and connect a music sound, and you can connect this mic to over here. There is an option for that also. And you can sing a normal karaoke also. Plus there's a line out also over here. So in this line out, there'll be going an aux cable, which can be connected to any of the audio devices like an amplifier. You can connect it to your DSLR while going ahead and doing a live streaming, or to your computer also. So that is a line out cable. And over this side is the on and off switch, which is available. And this is the charging cable. It's a 5-watt DC. Let's see if there's any power in this. Yeah, the power is there over here. And now if you see the front side, if you're able to see it clearly, there are some options in this. Like, you can control the mic treble. You can control the mid of the mic. You can control the bass, the volume of the mic, echo of the mic, and this is the volume reduction of the mic in case there's extra noise or anything for that. So what we're going to do now is we are finished with the unboxing part of the video, and we have got the various parts over here. Now I'm going to shift from this mic to the other mic, what they have given over here. We'll completely test it out also, because that's the best way to do it. And then we will test this and we'll see how is the sound clarity of this. So let's go to the review and a total demo of this. Hi, so now let's go to the review and demo of this device. The device is built good, made up of a good plastic. Obviously, it's 2000 plus cost, and it's switched on with the light over here. So now what we are going to do is we are going to increase the mic volume and the normal volume and see what is the difference coming in that. So now it's in the normal volume what I have said before. So now I'm just increasing the volume of the mic, and we'll just see how it is reacting in the live demonstration itself now, whether the mic volume is increasing or not. So I'll just keep it to a max now, and I'll reduce the total volume a little bit lesser, but having the mic volume also a little bit lesser so that it doesn't sound like a lot of echo is also coming out with the mic. So that's how it's supposed to be done over here. This is the mic volume and this is the normal volume of the device, and it's connected to my DSLR. This is connected to the line out button, which is going to my DSLR camera, and that's just an aux cable which is going to my DSLR camera, in which you have the option of mic input. And this is the line in button where this mic is connected. And I have an adapter to change that to this. And as I told you, the adapters link is also mentioned below. You can buy this adapter to make the 6 mm or 6.5 mm jack to a normal 3.5 mm jack, by which you get the clarity of the audio. So you can go ahead and mix and match. That is, if you want to separately sing and separately have a music, you can connect in the line 1 option. You can connect a phone also, where you can sing karaoke on that. And in the line 2, you can go ahead and uh, connect a mic or anything, so that the music can also be played, or vice versa. You can do this for live streaming, Facebook streaming, YouTube streaming. You can connect this to a computer, your DSLR. There are a lot of options. You can also go ahead and connect this to a music system also. So what I find over here is this is one of the best over option which you have, because no other sound mixer comes less than 5 to 7,000 rupees, and this is just for 2,000 odd. That is without the speaker. If you go for it, it's just 2,100, and I'll mention the link below. You can check it out. And if you're going with the mic and with the speaker, it would be coming about 2,499, but that's also not a bad deal. For just 300 rupees, you're getting a Bluetooth speaker which is about 6 hours standby time. So I can go ahead and do the unboxing video for this also, which you can watch. So what are my last impressions? This is the last part of the video about this device. So as I told you, it has a mic level timer, it has a normal volume, mic volume, treble, bass, everything you can adjust. You can use it with your guitar, you can use it with anything you want, with a music system and everything. And it is a budgeted device for this price. So in case you want to go for it, you can go for it. And the audio was okay, not that great. That's what was my impression. But as I can show you clearly over here, you do have various options over here for line in, line out and everything. And you can test out this device very well by that. And at this price point of view, this is one of the best device which you can go for. In case you want to check it out, please check the link below. You can buy it on Amazon, and you have a 1-year warranty on this, so you can return it if it doesn't work. Apart from this, it is having a good build quality also. And again, I would go for the price point of view. This is the best device you can get at this price. Nothing more, nothing less about this. These are the last impressions what I can go ahead and gather for this. So if you have any comments or any doubts, please go ahead and comment below, so that I can go ahead and help you solve your problem also. If you're having any problem while connecting this to your computer or DSLR or anything, I'll go ahead and help you with that. And if you do like this video, please like and subscribe for future notifications. Until next time, this is Kamal, and this is Kamal's Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day.